I guess I just stick to the original plan of just riding around. So, gonna do that. Let's see something. Lego. Oh, now that guy just ruined everything for me. Not really. That's pretty cool. I think that's homemade as well. Go. Go, look, go. Dude, what the fuck, man? Go. Sacramento, I-80, let's go. Look at this Runda boot. My friend wanted to ride after I got back from riding. So yeah, here I am back again. I really wanted to escape this. That's why I went back home really early. I only was riding out there for like 2 hours. I didn't even get my chicken strips all down. Like that shit can feed every homeless guy in Sacramento. That's how big the chicken strips are, man. Yeah, this is exactly what I wanted to escape. Ah, shit, my GoPro might get wet. Whatever, fuck it. So yeah, I did want to take a shower. Motherfucker. Yeah, I did want to take a shower. So yeah, here I am. Motherfucker. Okay, I officially cannot see anything. There we go. Oh fuck, you can see the fucking oil. Rip. Let's see. Oh fuck. Yeah, that is fucking oil right there. Damn, son. Oh, remember when you asked me how I wash my bike? Right in the rain. Get a towel. Wipe it off. Perfect. This is sketchy, man. What? This is sketchy. Yeah. This is my first time riding in this type of weather. I've never done this before. Oh, that's a bad idea. Don't put the visor up. Or the shield, whatever it's called. Last ride before the rain is in the rain. Oh, Jesus Christ. I'm hitting every damn pothole because I can't see shit. It's not as bad as I thought it would be. When I came out, it was like sprinkling it, so I was like, this is gonna be bad. But no, just my pants got a little wet. Who cares? You know, it's coming down hard enough that my underwear is going to be wet soon, but who cares? I'm riding a bike. There's 2 wheels between my legs, and I'm pretty damn happy that I'm going to get a cold and be stuck in bed for like a week. It's awesome, you know? Get to smell those exhaust fumes from the CBR 600. Hey, you go first. I don't know how fast that should be going. You're a little bit more experienced. Remember, I crashed in the rain. Yeah. Uh-oh. What? What? Is that normal? What? It's steaming. Is that normal? Probably just water got on your engine. Or exhaust. What?
yours steaming? No?
No. Actually, yeah. Yeah, it's actually steaming a little bit right here.
Yeah, yours is.
I get goosebumps every time I see one of those. What's up over there? Ow, my face. You street. No, you. No, you. No, you.